After doing the Look for Less challenge, I came across several more items within my collection that I could use with this challenge and the results of the challenge. And if you saw that challenge, and if you didn't, I'll list it down below. But I decided that I'm going to leave this design up in my living room for a little while. And I went looking into my collection and found several other items that I think would work great with this styling. So sit back and relax and see how I pull all this together. Now this tray that I'm using actually is not a tray. It's a picture frame that I found some time ago, a thrifty find, and I put fabric on the inside to give me that look, and I always use it. Then I knew that I had also did something else with the Greek key design, so I decided to bring that out. Let me show you also what I did some time ago with the Look for Less challenge using that same design. I'll link it here. Now this Greek key mirror was selling for $2.99, if I'm not mistaken, regular $3.99, on sale for $2.99. And that was one of my Look for Less challenges I did some years ago. So I'll link the video for that one, and you can see my results of what I did with that one in the description down below. Okay, let's continue. Now, I did mention my coasters there. They're actually DIYs that I did. And the clock is one of my thrifty finds that I had some time ago. A couple of years back I had that. And then my candles here, very heavy. And crystal candles, gold and crystal candles. Those was also a thrifty finds in my collection. And you'll see me getting ready to put it out, the Greek key design on these wine gobblers, small wine gobblers that I had, and also been a part of my collection for some time. And those also thrifty finds. I just love them, and I love how this is all coming together. If you've been thrifting as many years as I have, you always know quality items and different finds that you find out there. You always look for the quality of things. This Seiko clock that I have there is so heavy. When I picked it up, I knew I fell in love with it. Not only for the style of it and the weight of it, that I wanted something of quality. And that gave me that. When I go looking for my glassware, I always look for quality, usually by the weight or the design that's on it. And I have this in my collection for years. So by me doing the Look for Less challenge, I was able to use wallpaper to cover my vase there, and then go within my collection and pull this look together. This high-end look is one that you can probably pull together even to this day. It's just a matter of going out there, keeping an eye open for different designs and looking for quality items. My candles here, also quality. Crystal and gold. I've had that in my collection for some time. But to this day, years ago, I found them, made them a part of my collection, and now I'm using them years later, still, to put together a look. Now this look is complete. And all I did was do several DIYs. My vase was DIY with wallpaper. No, I'm sorry, it wasn't wallpaper. It was just wrapping paper. And then I made the coasters to go with it out of the same paper. And with several DIYs and all thrifty finds, I was able to pull this look together. Okay, so let's do another look. Again, even though this wasn't a thrifty find, when I'm out looking for different items and searching, I always come across items that I really enjoy, the design that I like. And these designs are really a part of my collection already, so I'm able to play off them several times. So this here, you see how I'm going to put this together. This simple, easy look. I'm not sure if I mentioned, but the placemats was found at Burlington for $7.99, and the tray was a clearance for $7.50. Geometric glass tray can be used in so many ways in my design. Now I'm going to add some beaded garlands, wooden beaded garland that I put together as a DIY. And in fact, you'll see that throughout the video here. And then that's another look. Okay, let's do another one. Can't you tell I'm having fun with this? Okay, this is probably the last one coming up. Hang in there. We're almost at the end. And there you go. I couldn't do styling without adding flowers in the vase. So this is another look that you can do, with a high-end look with simple flowers that you can find anywhere. And these are all from my collection. And to this, I'm adding my glass decorative lamps. And I want to remind you, don't forget to like, share, and comment down below which one did you like, which styling really appeared to you. And if you're not a part of my Amors family here on my channel, don't forget to subscribe down below. These lamps here that I put on the side are from Tuesday morning. I purchased them last year sometime. And I'm going to look for some lampshades. I want different lampshades. So when I come back, I'll show you what I purchased. I may even take you along with me to go to Tuesday morning and to the at-home store. Get 2 shades. That's all I need, 2 shades. Okay, thank you for watching. And as always, take care and be safe. And I'll see you next time. Love you, Amors.